Is your Toshiba TV driving you crazy with its constant glitching? If you've been wondering how to fix glitching Toshiba TV, you're in the right place. A glitching TV can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to enjoy your favorite show or movie. But worry not, we've got you covered. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through several steps to help you fix your glitching Toshiba TV and get back to a seamless viewing experience. Steps to fix your glitching Toshiba TV. Step 1. Power cycle your TV. First things first, a simple power cycle can often resolve many common glitches. Unplug your Toshiba TV from the power outlet and wait for about 1 minute. This allows the TV to reset itself. After a minute, plug the TV back in and turn it on. This step can clear minor issues with the TV software or hardware. Step 2. Check your connections. Loose or damaged cables can cause your TV to glitch. Ensure that all HDMI, coaxial, and power cables are securely connected to both your TV and any peripheral devices. Swap out any damaged cables to eliminate them as the source of the problem. Also, if you're using an HDMI cable, ensure it's high speed to ensure a stable connection. Step 3. Update your TV's firmware. Outdated firmware could be the culprit behind your glitching Toshiba TV. To check for updates, navigate to your TV's settings menu. Look for a section labeled Software Update or Firmware Update. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Keeping your TV's firmware up to date can fix existing bugs and improve overall performance. Step 4. Adjust picture settings. Sometimes incorrect picture settings contribute to what looks like glitching. Go into your TV's picture settings and make sure your picture mode is set to something like Standard or Auto, rather than dynamic or vivid. Overly aggressive settings can cause image flicker or stutter. Adjusting the settings may eliminate the appearance of glitches. Step 5. Check your internet connection. If you're streaming content and experiencing glitches, your internet connection might be to blame. Check the speed and stability of your connection. Restart your router or modem and consider using an Ethernet cable for a direct and more reliable connection to your TV. Step 6. Reset your TV to factory settings. If none of the above steps fix the issue, consider resetting your Toshiba TV to its factory settings. This will erase all your custom settings, but can resolve persistent problems. Locate the reset or initial setup option in your TV's menu and follow the instructions. Remember to back up any important settings before proceeding. Fixing a glitching Toshiba TV is often a straightforward process, but it might require some patient troubleshooting. By power cycling your TV, checking connections, updating firmware, adjusting picture settings, assessing your internet connection, and possibly performing a factory reset, you stand a good chance of resolving the issue. These steps provide various methods to tackle glitches and enhance your viewing experience. Remember, regular maintenance and keeping your technology updated can prevent future issues. Enjoy your reinvigorated TV experience.